Hi student, I am Kamlesh Kumar. Today we discuss about Microsoft Word commands spelling checker. It is an important command of Microsoft Word. A spelling checker is a flexible and powerful tool that will automatically check spellings in a paragraph or the entire document. When automatic spelling checking is on, Word uses a red wavy line to underline words it thinks are not spelled correctly so that you can spot them easily on the screen. A spelling checker command checks a spelling of a word that you typed in a Microsoft Word. A spelling checker command checks a spelling of a word that you typed in a document or file. Next, steps for checking a spelling. If you want to check a spelling of a document, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the word or select a document that you want to check for a spelling. Step 2. Click on the Review tab. Step 3. Click the spelling and grammar icon. Step 4. Word scrolls through your document and selects the misspelled word is highlighted in the text and displayed in the Not in Dictionary box. Step 5. Select the correct word from the suggestions list. Click on Change button to change the word. Step 6. Click on Close button. It closes the spelling checker dialog box. These are the steps for checking a spelling in a document or a file. Firstly, you have to select the text, then click on Review tab and click on Spelling and Grammar icon. It will shows all the incorrect word in dialog box. You can select from suggestions list and click on Change button. It will correct the misspelled word. After completion of this process, you can click on Close button that closes the spelling dialog box. These are the spelling and grammar dialog box. Here that shows in a red color is an incorrect or misspelled word. This command is available on Review tab. Next one is using thesaurus. The thesaurus is a word electronic database that contains English words with similar meaning. It defines selected words and offers alternative terms. Thesaurus is a command that is available on Review tab. It displays the synonyms of a word or alternate of a word. If you want to apply thesaurus, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the word for which you want to locate a synonyms. Step 2. Click the Review tab and choose Thesaurus button. Step 3. The Research task pane opens. For example, type the word appropriate in the search for box. Step 4. A list of synonyms of the word appropriate appears. Step 5. Close the research task pane. If you want to know about similar words, similar meanings or synonyms of a word, then use thesaurus features. If you want to apply thesaurus in a Word document, then firstly select the word. Then click on Review tab and select Thesaurus button. After that, a task pane will appear at the right side of a screen. You can click on Search for box or type the word that you want to know about synonyms of a word. Then click on Search button. It will display all the similar meanings, words, synonyms in a task pane. These are the task pane dialog box. Here in a Review tab, and you can click here button available thesaurus. After that, this task pane will appear. Here you can type the word and click on Go button. It will display the similar meaning of a word. Next one is word count command. The word count command totals the number of pages, words, characters, paragraphs and line in a document. Word count command shows all the pages, words, characters, paragraph and line in a document. आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में जितने भी लाइन होंगे, वर्ड, पेज, ये सारे डिस्प्ले करता है कौन? वर्ड काउंट कमांड. इफ यू वांट टू फॉलो द वर्ड काउंट कमांड or apply word count command, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Review tab. Step 2. Select word count button. Step 3. The word count dialog box appears. Step 4. Click on Close button. If you want to apply the word count command, then firstly click on Review tab. Then select word count command. It will display a dialog box and shows all the information regarding page number, words, characters, paragraphs and lines of a document. Next one, word count dialog box. When you click on Review tab and here word count command, it will display a dialog box. Here in this document have a page 1, words 90, characters no spaces 419, character with spaces 502, paragraph 7 and line is 30. These are the word count command. Thank you.